Hi friends, welcome to our channel DiLLogicaL. I am Ridhar back with another video, and this time coming with the Dev's camera review for the Poco X2 of the latest update. And you will get a good kind of camera hardware as well as a good kind of camera sensor in this phone, and you will love this phone just like me, in the camera centric lover. And in the budget oriented, these phones produce a good kind of camera hardware as well as a good camera sensor is present. In the front you will get a 20 megapixel main sensor and 2 megapixels for the depth blur, as well as the good display viewing angle is also there. In the back you will get a 64 megapixel main sensor Sony IMX686 and 8 megapixels for the wide angle and 2 megapixels for the depth blur, as well as 2 megapixels for the macro shot also. So you take couple of shots in the wider angle as well as the macro shot in according to your requirement. And let's move to the camera interface. You will get a slow motion, short video, portrait shots, low light condition as well as the night condition, and 60 megapixel shotting also there. So main function is present in the pro shot. In the pro shot you will get a wider angle shot, macro shot. You can choose according to your requirement and you take a good kind of shot in this. You can adjust the wider angle as well as the macro angle as well as the ISO as well as the shutter speed also. So this is a very good interface is present. So I hope this video will be helpful for all of you before purchase this phone for the camera setting lover just like me. And this is the good one for not for according to the budget, because another 16K you will get a flagship sensor just like this, which is used in another flagship phones. So let me know in the comment section also if you like this video or not and like this camera or not. So those time, let's move to the main video and main camera sample. So let's begin. So hi friends, I am Ridha back with a video camera sample, and this video is recording on the Poco X2 on the low light condition, that is the night condition, and this is the full HD mode and 60 fps shooting is present. So there is a dual tone flash is present, but flash power is not too much great compared to the another phone in this price segment. So audio is also recording from the default camera, and you will get the idea how this camera actually perform in the low light condition in the video segment recording. And if you consider for this buying and you will using this for the blogging purpose, but and before purchase you just show this video, and by which you will get the idea how this phone actually camera performs in the low light condition in the video recording segment. So okay, yes, let me move to the objects looks. The flash is not too much powerful, and just also idea. So focusing is issue is there in the macro objects purpose. So okay, and I just love this to show you. So I hope this video is helpful for all of you to know about the camera performance of this phone regarding the video recording purpose in the low light condition. So okay, so hi friends, I am Ridha back with another video camera sample. This video is recording on the Poco X2 front camera. You will get a 20 megapixel shooter as well as the 2 megapixel depth blur. I am on a roof in the sunny sky, and you can get the idea how the surrounding is going on by the camera with the lighting condition and against the lighting condition also. So this produce a good kind of camera sample as well as the video sample also, and for the daylight condition, but in the low light it will struggle just like all the camera of mid-range budget. So you will get the idea how the phone's camera actually perform in the video stabilization mode also. I just will be moved to the backward side on my roof in the sunny sky time. So okay, the greenish color looks great and vibrant also. So color combination is great for the budget, but not too much great also. This is not a natural looking, but this is the color is little bit artificial color intelligence present in the color combination of this phone's video sample. So okay, I hope you will get the idea this phone's camera actually performing good or not in the video recording mode if you purchase this phone for the blogging purpose as well as for the activity purpose of YouTube. So let me know in the comment section also you just like the camera sample or not. Hi friends, I am Ridha back with another video camera sample. This video is recording on the Poco X2 after latest update, and this is the recording from the back camera sample of 60 fps of one full HD. And I'm on my roof in the sunny sky, and this is the outer side is corona effect is going on. There is lockdown, totally shut down, and that's why the surrounding is little bit silent, and you will get the idea how this camera actually perform the well lighting condition of the daylight, and the vibrant looking also blue color looks great also. So I just will be moved to the macro objects, by which you will get the idea how this phone camera actually perform the macro object focusing. So okay, just so little bit issue with the focusing in the my finger, so you can see this also idea. So okay, let's so this my finger is didn't recognized by the Poco X2 till now. So I just laptop move to the another part of my roof, by which you will get the idea how the video simulation is actually working in the 4K 30 fps shooting also. So okay, I just little move to the trees of mango. So okay, here is the mangoes already is fallen into the trees. So okay, so just little bit move to the object. So there is the issue with the focusing. So if you just put the tab and it will just focusing also. So okay, so just have to just press the tab and it will focus the macro objects. And there is a little bit of issue with the focusing issue, so I just can't focus the object right now. So okay, this mango can't focus into the lens. So okay, there is the issue with the focusing of the macro objects of this phone also. But the camera sensor is used a good kind of Sony IMX686, the flagship sensor, but hardware is not equipped with this phone sensor to perform in the ultimate level. So this is up to you. You have to just choose the phone camera or not. But for the price segment of rupees 16,000, this is a good deal if you got the full camera in the backward side. So okay, so let me know in the comment section also if you like this camera sample or not.